Hello, everyone. Welcome to Rise and Thrives, your trusted space for vibrant health, especially for those enjoying their golden years. Today, we're discussing an important but often overlooked topic: men's sexual health and how it strengthens relationships. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is more common than many realize. But here's the truth: ED isn't just about the bedroom. It's a signal from your body, a call to pay attention to your health. And with the right approach, you can reclaim your confidence, improve intimacy, and enjoy life fully. Let's start with the physical side. Your body is like a finely tuned machine that depends on good blood flow. ED often happens because blood vessels narrow due to aging, high cholesterol, diabetes, or high blood pressure. Hormonal changes also play a role. Testosterone naturally declines with age, slowing libido. Plus, pelvic floor muscles, which support erection control, may weaken over time. The good news? Small lifestyle changes can make a big difference. Aerobic exercises like walking boost circulation. Kegel exercises strengthen those pelvic muscles. Eating foods rich in nitric oxide, think beets, watermelon, and leafy greens, helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. These changes don't just help sexual health. They lift your energy, mood, and overall wellness. Now, let's talk about the mind. Anxiety and stress are major contributors to ED. Fear of failure can trigger stress hormones, making it harder to maintain an erection. Everyday worries about work, money, or relationships can drain your mental energy and affect intimacy. Feeling undesired or having low self-esteem can also create emotional distance. That's why mental wellness is just as important. Practices like deep breathing, meditation, or mindfulness calm anxiety and help your body respond naturally. Open communication with your partner is key. Sharing your fears isn't a weakness, it's a strength. Many partners respond with support, which reduces pressure and rebuilds trust. Medical options are available too. Medications can help increase blood flow, but they work best alongside desire and stimulation. For those looking for alternatives, therapies like low-intensity shockwave treatment stimulate new blood vessels. Testosterone replacement therapy can help if your hormone levels are low. Even acupuncture has shown promise in reducing stress and improving circulation. Always consult a healthcare professional to find what's right for you. Your lifestyle is the foundation. Regular exercise, a balanced diet full of healthy fats and proteins, and good sleep regulate hormones and reduce inflammation. Cutting down on sugar and unhealthy fats protects your blood vessels. Remember, ED can also be a warning sign for heart health since the same issues affect both. Addressing it early can help you live a longer, healthier life. Why does this matter? Because you deserve to feel confident, connected, and comfortable in your body at any age. Sexual health is about joy, intimacy, and living fully, not just performance. I'd love to hear from you. Have you, or someone you care about, faced these challenges? What's helped, or what questions do you have? Share your thoughts below. It could help someone else. If this video resonated, please like and subscribe to Rise and Thrives. Tell us what health topics you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching. Remember to live boldly and fearlessly. See you in the next video.